What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful S580e that we have right here. As you can see, the color white looks fantastic. Love the bright chrome finish of a wheel for a car like this. Love the brown interior as well. We will take a look at that shortly, but let us now take a walk around to show you guys how amazing this car looks. Super luxurious feel. The way it looks is just absolutely stunning. Now let's start off with the front of the car. Now you do have your amazing lights that are all the way right here. We'll turn the DRLs on later to show it to you guys. Lovely dark finish, at the same time got some chrome finish that's happening all over the place. The bottom piece right here, you got this chrome lining, got some lines happening all over the front bumper, which makes it look absolutely aggressive. Number plate goes right there, chrome finish right there in the center. Amazing grille. Love the radar sensors that are happening all over there for your ADAS and whatnot. Very nice. Mercedes-Benz badging emblem, stunning. Mercedes-Benz, very nice wording right there, and the small badging in black in the center. The hood looks very clean and sleek. You got some lines at the edges, looks absolutely stunning for the front. Now let's move on to the wheels. The wheels, they are using the Bridgestone tires, and as you can see, they have this bright polished multi-spoke wheels. You know, does look very stunning. Drill disc brakes right there at the inside, and the calipers are looking very nice indeed. No Mercedes-Benz wording on it, but very clean and nice. Tire size for this, they are using the Bridgestone Turenza, and tire size is 255/40R20. So does look very nice indeed. Now for the side profile of the car, you get some chrome lining that goes across from the front all the way to the side. You do have your EQ hybrid wording right here as well. You do get the white side mirrors, follow the body color, chrome lining that goes across the whole car at the side as well. Beautiful. Door handles are very nice indeed. Let me try and see if I can open them up, or is this car actually locked? Okay guys, so we have managed to get the doors open. So as you can see, doors are nicely sleek looking and looking fine. So Mercedes-Benz wording right there. Let's open up the doors, show you guys the interior part of this gorgeous car. Now I love the brown, as you can see and admire. I love the mixture of all the leather in different colors. Then you got the brown, then you got this piano black finishing happening all over the place. You got this wooden finish right there at the doors. Yeah, looks stunning, man. Unlock and lock, you got your side seat adjustments all at the door. You got your memory seats, you got 3 heated and cooling as well. You have your Burmester sound system right there as well. Compartment storage down here looks fantastic, dude. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Love the ambient lighting that goes across the side of the door. Fantastic. White and the brown, dude, can never go wrong. Mercedes-Benz side plate right there. Love the quilted stitching design like finish of a seat. Check out the pillows, man, dude. It's very soft and very nice indeed. Love the wooden dashboard right there as well. So let's jump right in and take a seat first. Show you guys how amazing this car looks on the inside. So this is what we see. First of all, the air vents are directed in this way. You got 4 right there in the center, very nice looking. Your screen right here looks fantastic indeed. Glove compartment right down here as well. You got your perfume right there as well, can go in. Cool. Legroom is fantastic. Door looks good. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the passenger seat. Seatbelts are in black, and yeah, legroom is fantastic. I didn't touch the seats to adjust anything yet, but yeah, the piano black finish in a way that has this sort of like design on it, which looks good. Wireless charging goes right down there, and 2 Type-C connectivities. You got your cup holders, and of course a place where you can charge, or NFC or something like that happening all over the place. Close that, looks good. Open this back up, you got 2 Type-C connectivities, looks good. Compartment storage is huge. Love the brown finish. Frameless mirrors on this side, and yes, you do get your amazing panoramic glass roof right on top. The shade for the rear and also the front. You can actually open that up. Let's get right down and let's try and hop into the rear seat of this. So once again, Mercedes-Benz wording right there at the center, at the side of the door handles. The door looks fantastic and very long and nice. Of course, this is a shade. You can actually pull it up, all controllable through here. Wooden finish once again. You got the brown quilted sort of like design for the door, similar to the front. Leather finish all over the place, looks gorgeous. Burmester sound system, compartment storage down there. And of course, you got your seat adjustments over here. You can even choose to get the whole seat forward, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm going to do that to this car until it's fully done, so you guys are able to fully see how well the seat actually adjusts. So as you can see right now, the headrest is going right down so that the seat can move fully forward, and it is moving currently as we speak. And also, one thing you gotta know is that the rear of this seat can actually adjust and give you that sort of like sleeping in position, so that you get yourself to feel as comfortable as you can be while the driver is taking you to your preferred destination. Now, S-Class is definitely some sort of class which looks absolutely stunning. Now you do get your padding right there for you to rest your feet as well. So this is what you guys will be getting when you purchase an S-Class like this. So it does look very, very nice indeed. Memory seats, once again, you have got 1 and 2. You can push back the main seat into getting to the correct position. As you can see, heated cooling, adjust the front seat, and also for the reclining of the seat back to its position. So let's try and take a seat. I'm not so sure whether I'm able to fit comfortably in this, but let's give it a shot. So I'm not going to dirty the car in any way, but yeah, leg goes right there. I'm not going to lean it on anything. You have your side vents right there, amazing glass roof right at the top, controllable climate controls all here. You got a tablet that goes right here, and yeah, it does look very, very nice indeed. Of course, this one right here, you push again, cup holder goes right there, very nice indeed. So this one right here, wireless charging, goes right down there as well, so looks kind of cool. Close that back, and of course this, I believe, is for you to access fully to the rear boot. By pushing that up, you can actually access if you wish to. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear passenger. So driver goes right there, fantastic. So this is how comfortable and spacious the rear actually looks. Fantastic, dude, I like it. So let's get right down and let's not move any stuff, and let's just see on the other side what's happening. So before that, yeah, we gotta take a look at the rear wheels. So amazing bright chrome finish of a rear wheel, multi-spoke wheels once again, solid disc brakes on the inside, looks fantastic. Bridgestone Turanza tires is what you guys are getting. Tire size for this car would be, where are you? Okay, down here, 285/35 R20. So that's the tire size for this S-Class. So one side is a plug-in hybrid, one side is a petrol, because it's a S580e. So you do get your chrome lining that goes across from left to right. You do have your Mercedes-Benz badging right there as well, and also your lightings. I love how they look. We'll turn the DRLs on shortly to show it to you. You got some chrome finishing at the bottom rear diffuser. You also got it at the side to continue from the front, and sensors are located all over the car. Looks fantastic. So right down here, the exhaust pipes, there are 2. Looks really good, man, dude. So let's open up the boot and check out the space, man, dude. Fantastic layout. Boot looks good. Got a hook right here to hook some stuff instead of having everything rolling around. Warning triangle goes right there. You got your first aid kit down here. Boot to close once again. Let me just do that one more time again. Hopefully you'll close back. Okay, you know what? I think the battery has gone to sleep. But let's see whether I can bring it back to life in a way. A little bit back into life. Let me just see. Okay, cool. So the car has gone to sleep. Now it's finally awakened again. So once again, the right door does not have what the left door has, because it only has heater and cooling. That is meant for you to recline the whole seat to be as comfortable as it can be. Now we're going to jump into the main normal seat, perhaps for you guys to see. You got your main screen right here to control and show you some stuff. You can turn it on if you wish to, but unfortunately right now I think the car is on sleep mode. I'm not sure if you can turn on, but yeah, never mind. Amazing interior. Once again, the seat was reclined earlier. Once I pushed it back a little bit, there was some space given. So amazing rear seating. You got your belt bag. Now these are airbags built into the seat belt, guys. The seat belt has an airbag right in, so very cool. Air vents right here as well, compartment storage right here as well, keep some stuff. The view is fantastic, dude. Amazing. The brown interior is really helping a lot. Yeah, so let's get right down. Once again, you can see it says belt bag, so looking good. So let's open up the driver's side and take a look at what we are looking at for the driver's side of things. Amazing quilted finish for the door, similar towards all the other doors. Unlock and lock handles. You got your left control seat adjustments for the other side right there, and you do have your heated cooling memory seats. You got 3. You got the shade for the rear. Yeah, you have your window adjustments for all 4 doors, and yeah, side mirror adjustments. You get your opening up of the boot, Burmester sound system, lighting controls on this side. We'll turn them on shortly to show it to you. But let's hop right into the driver's side. Steering wheel, we can definitely perhaps adjust it all the way up, and yep, steering looks very classy and very nice. Signal adjustments, gear lever on this side. You got your positive shift, negative shift, touchpad controls here, similar towards the cruise controls and whatnot. Steering wheel looks good. Steering wheel looks really good, and yeah, very cool looking car. Handbrake is on this side, very nice indeed. So yeah, this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. Back looks good, very nice. So let's hop right down. Let's turn on the front lights to show it to you. This is how amazing the front lights look. Let's take a nice cover photo for the front. Sup, looks very nice indeed. So down here, check this out guys, you got your 3 dots, you got your DRLs, and you got this blue finish right down here. Looks fantastic. Digital lights is what they call it. Looks absolutely stunning, beautiful. So for the rear, with the DRLs turned on, you can see all of the spiky stuff happening right there. It does look very nice guys. You gotta be here to see it, but can you see what I mean? Looks damn cool, looks very nice. So let's now turn on the hazard lights to show you guys how do they look like. So turn indicators, of course, will be at the signal right here, I mean at the side mirrors. And for the main lights, the whole top one goes into the turn indicator, but all the DRLs right down there in the center still remain. Very fierce looking appearance of a car to match the white lights, brown interior. Looks absolutely fantastic. Check that out. And also you do get your the whole piece goes into this beautiful finish, man. Love how it looks, gorgeous. So that is it guys for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes-Benz cars, do head down to Hapsing all the way here, and you can locate this car, that car, and many more other gorgeous cars lying all over the place guys. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.